Hi everyone, Dr. Mike here. Today we're all about fueling our bodies with the best of the best. We're talking about the top 10 healthy foods you absolutely need to include in your diet. Eating healthy impacts everything from your energy levels to your mood to how well you age. Whether you're already a health nut or just starting to pay attention to what you eat, this video is for you. So let's jump right in. First up, we've got chia seeds. These little guys are nutritional powerhouses. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health and brain function. Chia seeds are your new best friend for a fiber boost. They absorb water and expand in your stomach, keeping you feeling fuller for longer and promoting healthy digestion. Adding chia seeds to your diet is super easy. You can sprinkle them on your yogurt, oatmeal, or salads, blend them into smoothies, or even make a delicious chia seed pudding. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. Next, we have a veggie that needs no introduction: broccoli. This cruciferous superstar is loaded with vitamin C and K, fiber, and antioxidants. We're talking serious immune-boosting power, stronger bones, and even protection against certain types of cancer. You can enjoy broccoli steamed, roasted, sautéed, or even raw with a tasty dip. Let's talk about Greek yogurt, a creamy, delicious way to boost your gut health. It's packed with probiotics, those good bacteria that keep your digestive system running smoothly. Greek yogurt is also an excellent source of protein and calcium. Enjoy it plain, top it with fruit and nuts, or use it as a base for smoothies and dips. Next up is a snack that's both satisfying and good for you: almonds. These nuts are packed with healthy fats, protein, and vitamin E. Almonds can help lower bad cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and even improve blood flow. Keep a bag of almonds on hand for a quick and easy snack, or add them to trail mixes, yogurt bowls, or salads. Let's move on to a vibrant and delicious root vegetable, the sweet potato. These spuds are packed with nutrients and fiber, making them a fantastic source of energy. Sweet potatoes are loaded with vitamins A and C, both powerful antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage. They're also a good source of potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Enjoy sweet potatoes baked, roasted, mashed, or even spiralized into noodles. Now, let's talk about a true champion of the sea salmon. This fatty fish is renowned for its brain-boosting and heart-healthy benefits, thanks to its abundance of omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon is also an excellent source of high-quality protein and vitamin D. Aim to include salmon in your diet at least twice a week. Let's move on to a fruit that's gained a well-deserved reputation for its health benefits: avocado. This creamy, delicious fruit is packed with healthy fats, fiber, and potassium. Enjoy avocado on toast, in salads, smoothies, or even as a healthy substitute for mayonnaise in sandwiches and wraps. Next up is a grain that's gained immense popularity in recent years: quinoa. This ancient grain is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need. Quinoa is also a good source of fiber, iron, and magnesium. You can use quinoa as a base for grain bowls, salads, or as a substitute for rice or couscous. Let's talk about a leafy green that's earned its place as a nutritional superstar: kale. This cruciferous vegetable is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Kale is an excellent source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as calcium, iron, and fiber. Enjoy kale in salads, smoothies, soups, or even sautéed with garlic and olive oil. Finally, we have a small but mighty fruit that's bursting with flavor and health benefits: blueberries. These tiny berries are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. Blueberries are known for their high levels of anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that help protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation. Enjoy blueberries fresh, frozen, in smoothies, yogurt bowls, or baked into muffins. And that's a wrap on our top 10 healthy foods you must eat. Incorporating these nutrient-packed powerhouses into your diet can have a huge impact on your overall health. Remember, a healthy lifestyle starts with what you put on your plate. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.